Hello guys and welcome on another episode of Crypto Bear Trap. Today very important news is few, but they will result in I think our drop down with the next few weeks, maybe a little bit more. We will see. So first read this disclaimer. This is non-financial advice. Everything I'm gonna tell here is just only my opinion. And let's go. Just pause yourself this screen, read it, and if you agree, let's continue. So Bitcoin at the moment, we had this beautiful rise, but I will show you that I think it's only a kiss for goodbye, and then we're gonna go down. I'm gonna tell you how my plan will change when some levels will actually be reach out, will be broken. So let's start. So for the moment, I think we are making head and shoulders here. That's why this is a kiss for goodbye, and I think we can go even a little bit higher. Okay, so let's first take a look here. If we are going to do this wave here, so at the moment, if this is an impulse wave, okay, we will pass this section here, exactly 28,500. At the moment, if this is an impulse, third wave, we could have a fourth wave and then fifth wave. And I'm gonna tell you why that is. And I'm gonna tell you why we can then go down, not up, but down, okay? At the moment, we have a strong level here, and at 28,500, we have a strong resistance. But if we're gonna break 28,500, I think then we can possibly go up in this impulse wave, and then possibly go down, and everything will happen in this week, okay? In this week. So let's go here for a moment, and let's take a look at the social side of it. As we know, everything pumped on this news that the Grayscale will gonna have a ETF and so on and so on, and we have a Grayscale, SEC, ETF, lawsuit, Bitcoin court, GBTC, win stack. Everything was going up, but at the moment, the enthusiasm is going down. Okay, there is nothing else. Entire crowd of people start to realize that there is nothing else behind this, because SEC didn't tap on the approval of ETF itself, only that there were some wrongdoings in procedural approaches from the SEC side, yeah, that they overstepped their authority and so on, and they shouldn't ban Grayscale. They shouldn't disagree that the Grayscale cannot convert its fund into ETF. Okay, so that was the ruling about, not that they have a ETF. Well, this week, SEC have to answer whether they approve of postpone BlackRock ETF. I think they're gonna postpone. So at the moment, when this enthusiasm is going down, and no BlackRock ETF will be, then we are going down. However, if BlackRock ETF will be tapped, then we are heading straight away to 32K, and then we are going probably after 30K, 37K, because there is no resistance here. There is no resistance. Look, let's take a look at the analysis. There is no resistance here. It's low volume node. Low volume node. There is nothing here. Pam. Very quickly, we're gonna go to probably next view up from 37 to 42. Okay. So how I'm gonna do it? If we're gonna pass tomorrow 28,500, and we will activate, stop losses. And look, we will activate stop losses here. Okay, liquidations here at 28,500. I think then we're gonna retest this level for confirmation, and then we're gonna start another impulse. So I will enter at this retest, and then if nothing will be done with BlackRock, I think we are heading at least to 25K or below, because look how many liquidations are here, and this is the 23,500. How many are here as well? So that's what I think will happen if BlackRock ETF will be postponed. Okay, but at the moment, let's take a look at XEN. I don't know, do you know Xen has a double bottom now, and everyone in the Xen ecosystem awaiting about the very important news, which gonna be announced. And this pattern looks like complex correction, which is now at the end. We have a level now, and now we are waiting just for the breakout. So if the price will break this channel, I think then we are heading kind of towards. And the only thing we need from Bitcoin is that the Bitcoin will not going to do anything. That's it. And then we can go for it. Another one is Atom. Look, Atom has a nice correction here as well. Everything we can see in the channel, it's complex correction for a huge probability, okay? So if this is a complex correction and we have a W here, we are waiting for X. I don't say that we're gonna go straight away to $12, yeah? So that's gonna be almost 100%, but I think we could go to kind of middle of that channel, and then we could kind of wave down as well, okay? Because I think Bitcoin will not go up, I don't think so. So that's these coins. Also, we have the SUI here, and SUI reminds me a week of pattern where we have now spring, so consolidation. And look how, I didn't record the video since last kind of 3-4 days, but look how good our level is respected. So if the price will hold on here, watch out, because it may start going up, okay? It may start going up for the moment. So take a look at this, okay? Take a look at this. I don't think so I have other coins. Watch out for the, watch out for HourGlass. HourGlass is going up now because they have announcement that in this week they will have this TV show announced. Okay, so that could be something good. And if we're gonna take a look at other projects, there's a project which is very high in net volumes. It's shares. Yeah, it's a kind of revenue share project. I was reading about this thing, not too fancy, if I must kind of say, but maybe if the volume is here, it means buyers are here. The buyers are here, price can go up. Yeah. Another thing which is starting now, it's the dark. Okay, dark is a kind of minor extractable value kind of tool and set of different tools and bots, which are helping in, I think, in the management and look for mempools. So that could be something. It was his top here, okay? Project is very small. It has only 2.1 million. So actually, as for this market, it's quite, to say medium. I am looking for other kind of smaller projects here, but it could have its news, which could bring this dark up to 64 cents. So that could be a nice percentage. And if you remember, fake AI is going up as well. Okay, we were showing this when the fake AI was here. Okay, and our SYN swap. So SYN swap is going for the moment, used kind of retrieve his level, but I think it's gonna build up here, head and shoulders, and we're gonna go down a little bit, and we will move in this section. Okay, SYN swap, they are proving it themselves. They are releasing non-stop new updates. And soon, when Atom will have their news, it's a gamma release. Yeah. If we're gonna go here, into coins, look, this is gamma release here for Atom in Q3. So that's gonna be a big news. So that's why Atom and SYN swap, they will connect. So it could be something good. I have a position on Atom open. Let's see. That's why I'm thinking this X pattern could actually work out. Okay, could actually work out. And a little bit of news. Look, just a few coins are going up. Most of them not exactly. Altcoin season, I don't think so for the moment. I think we're gonna just retest almost the bottom, something like here when we went up. And we were here. So when it went up and we went here. So something similar, something very, very similar. Look, Evergrande, okay? Everything is coming back to China now. China. Everything is going back to China. China. in almost every news now, mainstream news, I see that they're talking about China, 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 China. Look, China's economy, okay, went up, but nobody is asking what sort of money, what sort of heaviness of money was used to put this economy so up on a pedestal, on a podium. Okay, this cost of money have to be paid back, and like FTX has FTT token, which was showing that the exchange is going pretty good. China has its developer token, which was showing over the years that was very good. However, FTT token lost its value, showing that the exchange wasn't good. And now developers across to China are losing their values. The assets, so FTT token assets like homes, aren't so valuable, aren't some prestige, so their value is going down. Nobody wants to buy them for the moment. Value is not going down yet, but nobody wants to buy them. Like nobody wants to hold FTT token. And we can see that Dev coin, it's going down. So Chinese super economy isn't so good. Probably will try to pump some money and recover, yeah. But it only looks like Fed now will not go and try to go up, only sideways. And as we know from the previous cycles, like from 70s even, yeah, every time Fed goes sideways, first stock market crashes, and then Fed try to rescue the market. So everything in this soup suits me because it's shown that this, what I was talking since long time now, it's actually happening. And all these news about this economy, this is how it ends when you're gonna jump with the interest rates so high. Okay, this cost of money, okay, is so high that nobody is able to take more money to bring this thing. That's why it's a cost of heavy weights of money. Okay, Bank of England. Look here. You remember Silicon Valley Bank? Silicon Valley Bank had bonds on the balance sheet, and they didn't report these bonds on the balance sheet, but they didn't have to. However, bonds have to be reported once there is a maturity on them. And then they reported, and the price was, let's say, I don't know, minus 50%, okay? And they go bust. And as we can see now, Bank of England has a similar problem. Bank of England, okay? And estimated in July future loss for UK Treasury, okay? Because UK Treasury have to pay it in around $150 billion, okay, to cover these losses. That's gonna be huge for this economy. I don't know what they are doing in the UK. I just don't know. I don't know. If you are from UK, watch out because some big things are coming. Another big things are coming. Look, we knew about El Salvador is adopting Bitcoin, but now Argentina is adopting, and Argentina is actually a very big debtor of IMF, okay? And if IMF will be shown the middle finger, we are entering in a very, very interesting, I would say, saga. We will see. Twitter is getting licensed to store, transfer, exchange Bitcoin. So I wonder how PayPal is looking at this, because soon we're going to be able to pay on Twitter. And I wonder when Twitter, so X, will ask us for KYC, okay? And then we have a social media KYC. But look from distance. Look from the distance. Look, we're gonna be having KYC on the exchanges, okay? On SEX and DEX, okay? We're gonna have a wallet SUI KYC as well, and the social media KYC as well. But from the second side, we will probably be introduced soon to some DEXs, true DEXs that they don't require KYC, wallets that are no KYC at all, okay? Because soon probably we're gonna have a KYC on MetaMask, and social media and new social media which we don't have to show our KYC, and we can write down wherever we want. Remember, that's what's going to happen. Incoming, what's going to be in the quarter 4? Silk Road Bitcoins probably will be released again, so dump. Mt. Gox BTC, maybe finally dump. FTX has a $500 million in major caps, and small caps like DYDX and Aptos and so on, we're going to have a huge supply. So demand will be lower and the price dump. So everything is set, like I said, in this week, when the BlackRock ETF will go down, okay, will not be approved, then everything will finish. And at the end, look, there's a big thing coming for Polygon. I don't know how deep you are in the ZK developments, but the value net, whatever that calls on the Polygon, is going to be revolutionary. Why? Because if we're going to have layer 1, let's say ETH, and here all transactions are approved, okay, validated, and we have a layer 2s, which they, let's say, send these transactions to the layer 1, they send this with the hash plus data. However, Polygon leaves the data on layer 2 side of it. It's only sending hash, which hash doesn't tell you anything. So that's actually gonna be huge solution. That's gonna be huge improvement. So that's it for today. Remember, we are waiting for this week for postpone of BlackRock ETF, and then welcome Bitcoin at 23,000. That's my option. We will see. See you then. Bye.